Brian Chesky, Airbnb, extenuating circumstances. 3 words or 3 little phrases that I just absolutely detest hearing, and ever since the day they came out with this extenuating circumstances policy, my love for Airbnb dropped off a cliff. They took in excess of 470 bookings out of my portfolio overnight and took all that money away from me as well. I thought it was totally uncalled for the way they did it. I don't want to go into that right now. I think if you've been hosting for some time, you'll probably agree with me that what Airbnb did was not to protect the hosts, and ultimately we all suffered from it. But what I did do was I made it my mission to make sure that I did not need to rely on Airbnb as much. Yes, I will use them and continue to use them for what they are because they do drive traffic, but it helped us refine how we wanted to market going forward. How could we replace Airbnb's revenue stream that they did provide us? And we came up with some great solutions. We came up with some great marketing plans, and we've been implementing them for now since lockdown, which was mid sort of March. This was kind of starting to happen, and we've been putting it into play, and boy is it paying off for us right now. This is one of the things that we offer at Luke Homes with our serviced accommodation management. Not only are we a management company, we're also an agency and a marketing agency. We know how to market, we know how to work the algorithms on the booking channels, we know how to speak to our guests, we know how to speak to companies and get direct bookings. And that's one thing that you get when you come on board with Luke Homes Serviced Accommodation Management Service. Join us today. Simply email ask@lukehomes.co.uk for more information. Drop me a DM and I'll put you in touch with the right person in the office. I promise you that we will more than pay our feedback by increasing your occupancy, increasing your profit lines, getting you more direct bookings, and taking away all the headaches and hassle that serviced accommodation gives you. Drop us a DM today and we'll be in touch to explore this further with you and show you exactly what we can do, exactly how we make your life a lot easier, and more importantly, how we make it more profitable. Take care.